Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about my project multidimensional video analysis and testing lesson. So what is the motivation behind this project? So currently there are lots of videos which are dense, temporally complex and unstructured. If users often want to search and summarize and ask questions based on the video content. So the traditional search method are still based on the titles or the text which misses the visual and the textual nuances. So the existing limitations are like there are no support for semantic visual understanding. Transcripts alone misses the non-verbal context such as scenes, objects, emotions, etc. The most models are either text only or vision only, not both. So the goal of this project is to build a system that can make video search videos searchable and explorable through natural language by combining textual reasoning and the visual scene understanding using multimodal embedding and RAG. Real world applications can be the educational video question answering, media and journalism, surveillance or event review and entertainment. So the pipeline is that first you have to give the YouTube video link to the app, and then it will go for the frame extraction and transcript extraction. So the frame extraction will be done by each 5 seconds, and the transcript extraction will be used the YouTube API with the fallback option of the OpenAI Whisper if the previous option failed. So then I go for the Gemini embedding, then followed by the Lens DB storage, uh, the Llama index rack system, and the model here used is the Gemini 1.5 Flash. And after that, I integrated the memory in the chatbot so that it can also chat from the previous memories also. So the core components of these architectures are video processing using the MoviePy and the YouTube API or the Whisper. Then go for the embedding like text and image embedding and also stored in the Lens database. Then go for the query engine using the RAG and Gemini 1.5 Flash. So the user here in the chatbot uh, can ask natural language questions about the video, get section wise breakdown with timestamps, and also retrieve relevant clips with semantic frame matching. Yeah, so the use cases can be like a user can ask anything from the video which is already in the transcript or which is not also in the transcript. So if a user want to see the red card in the video, uh, it will give the hyperlink of that part of the video so that user can directly click on that link and go to that video. So the challenges I faced was like the first challenge I faced is inconsistent transcripts. So that not every time YouTube API work pretty well. So for the fallback option, I have to integrate the OpenAI's Whisper. So the visual grounding is weak sometimes. So in that case, I use the top K frame similarity, and I use the CPU based system for this project, which didn't require the GPU. So if I show you the project, so here in the text bar I have to give the YouTube video link. So after giving the link, I have to press the enter and it will get processed. And then in the chat option we can chat. Like the here I first question was what is this video about, so it could answer properly that this video about discusses the technology that becomes obsolete in 2024. So what technologies were discussed here, so it properly answered that it talked about the chip content stripping, Windows PCs and iPhones. So after that I asked that give me the clip related to iPhone, so it could give the link hyperlink for that. Like if I go to the link,
When I switch to T-Mobile, you'll give me an iPhone 16 Pro, help pay off my old phone, and I still get to keep it? That's right. Between Windows PCs and iPhones.
yeah,
That
it
includes
went to
the Windows version of
iPhone,
Apple Music, the TV app, and Devices
option.
app.
Yeah. So After that, uh, for the memory testing, I asked the summarize the hyperlink so that it can summarize this link or not. So yeah, it could go there and could talk about that. Yeah. So that was my project, and in future, I mean, we can use enhanced by like using the true LLM streaming by implementing a genuine token by token streaming from Gemini to the UI, and also the more advanced clip generation can be added, and the summarization features can be added here, which is give answer in more structured way, better prompt engineering, and also the multi-user support. uh, uh, yeah, using the pinecone integration and the give each user an user ID so that they can interact in each session. So and the more video sources, so in this upcoming week I'm planning to add more features like adding a like directly upload a video, or give the links of the OneDrive or Google Drive or in different formats like yeah. So that's it. Thank you.